Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Samreen's Diary. I am Samreen and today I will give detailed review of this amazing portable barbecue grill barbecue stove. Before starting video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Samreen's Diary is my channel name. Now let's start our video with unboxing it. It is very compact and best for small family barbecue parties. It comes in different variant, different sizes. I choose small one. So if you have a big family, you can buy a big one. It comes with handle and you can carry it easily around. First open its leg to make it a stand like this. This is a complete size of this grill. This is a removable grill. On that you can cook your food easily or make tea or whatever you want to cook. Carbon grid for stiffing used coal, removable tray. Assembling of this grill is very easy. You can remove every single part of it, and after using it you can wash it and again assemble it and fold away to make it small and keep for the next use. After checking its interior, now check its exterior. How cool this is. Hope you like it too. Now you can see from the top. See how easy it is. Hope you like it too. Now let's start some cooking in this grill. First, let some coal in your tray. I have placed aluminum foil to make it extra clean, and after lighting the coal I place the grill and start putting my barbecue item on the top like this. Check how easy it is. Your barbecue chicken is ready. Enjoy. I hope you like this video. If you do, please press like button and share with your loved ones and subscribe my channel so you won't miss any video. If you have any query, leave a comment. I will definitely reply you back. See you next time with new video. Until then, take care and bye bye.